Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is demerits of private sector enterprises. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discussed various topics related to it like concept of business environment, economic system, 5-year plans, and so on. So in today's video we'll discuss about the demerits of private sector enterprises. You can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is demerits of private sector enterprises. It may be public or it may be private. Both the sector have some advantages and some demerits also. So what are the demerits of private sector enterprises? We'll discuss here. So there are several demerits of private sector enterprises. First one is economic instability and unemployment. Second is social welfare is ignored. Third is class struggle. Fourth is wastage due to competition. Fifth is concentration of income and wealth. And the last is decline of competition. So these are the various demerits, disadvantages of private sector enterprises. Now coming to the main topic, which is and I further describe these points, these demerits in the upcoming slides. So first one is the economic instability and employment. The private sector causes economic instability and unemployment in the society. As a result of full working market mechanism, sometimes there is depression and sometimes there is inflation. So according to the market high and growth of the market, there will be instability and unemployment in the society due to the private sector enterprises. The second demerits are social welfare is ignored. The private sector sees the issues from the profit point of view. They are the profit oriented organizations. In this system, goods and services are distributed according to the paying capacity of people rather than their needs and desires. So social welfare is ignored by the private sector enterprises because they are only the profit oriented organizations. They never think about the welfare of society. The third demerit is class struggle. Private sector encourages class struggle. It divides the society into two classes, rich and poor, workers and capitalists. The interests of these classes clash with each other. So private sector encourages the class struggle in the society and divides the society in the rich and poor type of persons. The next demerit is wastage due to competition. In this system, a large amount of financial resources are wasted in promotion and advertising. So because of the competition in the market, there will be wastage of resources because of the advertising and promotion policies of the organizations. The next demerit is concentration of income and wealth. The private sector encourages the concentration of income and wealth in the hands of few persons. It makes the rich richer and poor more poorer. So private sector increases the gap between the rich and poor. It became the rich more richer and poor more poorer. And the last demerit of private sector enterprises are decline of competition. Free competition is an important characteristic of the private sector enterprises. But in the real world, we find monopoly and oligopoly in the market. As a result, the consumer has to pay higher prices and productive resources not allocated in most efficient manners. So there will be decline of competition because of the monopoly and oligopoly in the market. So consumer and customer has to buy that particular type of product because they have no availability of other options in the market. So these are the several demerits of the private sector enterprises. I again summarize all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So what are the demerits of private sector enterprises? First one is economic instability and unemployment. Second is social welfare is ignored. Third is class struggle. Fourth is wastage due to competition. Fifth is concentration of income and wealth. And the last one is decline of competition. So this is all about the demerits of private sector enterprises. If you have any query about this topic or if you want to know about any topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.